Welcome to the channel of Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealer. Today we come to our customer's house and show you how to decorate the living room with fastest and easiest way, which use the Kastar Ceramic Tile Sealer to fill the ceramic tile gap. Now we are in the living room. As you can see, the gap between the tiles is empty now. First, we need to clean the gap without dust or water, and then according to the instruction and loading the sealer into the coating gun. Then, let's start the operation. Hi friends, after 24 hours, we removed the excess sealer, and what's the result of after applied Kastar ceramic tile sealer? No more mold or mildew. And consistent dirt and crack that traditional grout that promotes. Ladies will enjoy it because Kastar ceramic tile sealer is super easy to clean. Not only is a simple fast cleanup, the product remains flexible even after tension. Now check out that for perfect finish, there's no more mixing, no more dirt. Kastar ceramic tile sealer is the easiest.